And if you see software application developers, so basically if you know one programming language, you can definitely be a developer. So Python can definitely be considered. And we are also focusing on web design, app design. So basically any of the web development related skills, app development related skills, all of those comes under this, right? And we do cover some embedded system related workshops. Actually, Amir is here. So Amir, I hope some of the spring season participants would know Amir. He took a lot of workshops there. Hardeep was there, and she also took some of our yearly Python workshops. And so basically the point here is, if you see all the top 10 jobs which is being predicted as the top jobs for the next decade, like I mean this whole decade, uh, we are covering those.